The United Arab Emirates recorded the heaviest rain ever after a severe thunderstorm hit the country. Dubai flights have been severely disrupted and cars were left stranded on flooded roads after record rainfall over the past day brought the city to a standstill, killing at least one person, causing damage to homes and businesses, and bringing air travel to a standstill in Dubai. According to the state-run WAM news agency, the rain was a historic weather event that surpassed anything documented since the start of data collection in 1949. That was before the UAE was established in 1971.